Hi, and welcome to Faces of Angie, content with you in mind. In this video, I am going to transform a plastic cosmetic bag into a glittery sensation. Starting with an inexpensive cosmetic pouch from Walmart that cost about $3. Pour Mod Podge into a styrofoam bowl. I wanted a mixture of glitter colors, so I added lavender, silver, and white glitter. Using an art paintbrush, I mixed the items together until combined well. I poured a small amount of glitter mixture on the cosmetic bag and brushed it all over the front of the bag. This will be the base coat to add an abrasive coating on the bag. Brush off any excess glitter if needed and evenly distribute the mixture for a smooth first coat of glitter. I repeat these steps on the other side of the bag. Allow about 10 minutes drying time. After the first coat has dried, apply a second coat of glitter on both sides of the cosmetic bag for more coverage. Allow 15 minutes or longer drying time. Make sure each coat is completely dry before applying the next coat of glitter. I lightly touch the surface of the bag to ensure the second coat of glitter is dry. As you can see, no glitter is on my fingers, which means the second coat is dry and I can move on to the next step. For the third coat of glitter, I apply the glitter mixture on half of the bag. Then I pour an ample amount of lavender glitter on the glitter mixture. After I have the desired amount of glitter, I tilt the cosmetic bag and allow the glitter to fall off onto a paper plate. I follow these steps on the other side of the cosmetic bag. Helpful hint: recycle glitter by pouring it back into its container for reuse later. I repeat these steps on the top portion of the cosmetic bag. But this time I pour white glitter on the bag. Once I have the desired amount of white glitter, I tilt the bag to allow the excess glitter to fall onto the paper plate. I do the same on the other side of the bag. Applying the glitter in half portions will allow the first color time to dry. Pour the excess white glitter back into its container for later use. I apply a total of 4 coats of glitter on each side of the bag. Pour a very small amount of room temperature water into a small cup and add a small amount of Mod Podge and a small amount of silver glitter with the water and mix well. Add more Mod Podge or glitter if needed. This mixture acts as a sealant which will hold the glitter in place. Apply this mixture all over the bag. Brush off any excess mixture. Allow 1 hour drying time or longer if needed. Lightly brush off glitter that may be loose. Optional, apply another coat of sealant mixture if desired. The bag looks great, but I wanted to go a step further by adding a streak of silver glitter along the center of both white and lavender colors. Pour off excess glitter. Optional, apply another coat of sealant mixture if desired. Here's the finished product. I purposely left the sides and bottom of the bag unfinished. I want you all to have fun with your creations and enjoy the outcome on your designs. I hope you were somehow inspired by this video, and I invite you to share and tell a friend to help this channel grow. Please subscribe and comment below about your experience. Thanks for watching Phases of Angie, and I will see you in the next one.